What's going on, everybody? Jesse here. Today I'm going to show you how you can run a Python script with an Alexa voice command really easily. So in the example program we're going to build today, we're going to ask Alexa to tell us the plot of a movie. So this is how it's going to work, and this is what we're going to build. Launch WayScript and run movie with the Matrix.
A computer hacker learns from mysterious rebels about the true nature of his reality and his role in the war against its controllers.
Awesome. So as you can see from this example, we're actually able to pass an input, which is our movie name, from the Alexa command into our Python script, which looks up the plot of that movie, and then actually get the result of our Python script actually spoken back to us through Alexa. So I'm going to show you how we're going to build this from scratch. So let me just delete everything I have here so we can start fresh, and here we go. So the first piece or component we want to make is the Alexa trigger, so the ability to actually speak to Alexa and have it execute our Python script and our program and pass it data. So under our triggers, we select Alexa, and we want to create a program alias. So this is the name of the program we're going to ask Alexa to run. In this case, I call it movie. I turn it on to make it live, and I'm going to pull out the spoken input. So just to make it more clear, I'll call it the movie name. So what we're saying is we can ask Alexa, as you can read here, launch WayScript and run movie, which is our program alias, with movie name, which is the name of the movie that we want to pass into our Python script. All right, so I also have here the little Python script. I'll post this separately that queries an API with a movie title and gives you back information, including the plot, and then we're just pulling the plot of that movie from the dictionary, and we're going to grab that message and have Alexa speak it back to us. So under the modules, I'm going to go and grab Python. So I can just highlight all and input my Python script into WayScript. So in the title of the movie, what we want to do is actually grab our movie name variable and just stick it in there. So now every time Alexa runs whatever movie name we've asked Alexa to run, it'll grab that and treat it as the title. And then instead of just printing the message, we're going to output it through an output dictionary. So we'll call it movie plot. And we're going to assign it to that variable, which is holding our plot. Awesome. So the last step that we want to do is actually have Alexa speak the plot back to us. So we drag Alexa in after our Python, and that movie plot that we just outputted from Python, we can stick in as our speech text. So that's it. So this is all set up, and now this is ready to run in real time with any movie name that you give it. Of course, this is just a simple example, and you can build really powerful, complex Alexa chats through this type of functionality. I hope you like the content. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Leave comments, ask questions, and hope you try the beta. Thanks for watching. Bye.